Hello everyone. Today's question, sort colors. First I will move to pen and paper and then we will understand this problem statement, and after that we will move to solution part. So in this problem statement you are given an array with n object, so colored red, white or blue. So you have to sort them in place so that the object of same color are adjacent with the colors in order red, white and blue. So basically you have to sort the color in this order. First you have to place all red color, and then you have to place white color, and then you have to place blue color. So in this problem statement, 2 represent the blue color and 1 represent the white color and 0 represent red color. So what we have to return? So we have to return 0, we have to return 0, 1, 2 and 2 in this array. So cause first we have to sort this color array in this order: red, white and blue. Okay, so I hope problem statement is clear to you. Let's understand this solution. So we have to solve this problem using order of 1 space complexity. So first I will take 3 color with this value. So that is, so first is blue, that's value is 2, and red value is 0, and white value is 1. Okay, and now our next job is we will create 3 pointer, and initially all of them are point to index 0. So white, blue and red, all of them are point to index 0. So now all of them are point to index 0. Now what I will do, I will iteratively traverse this array. Okay, first starting our traversal from 0th index. So now our current value is 2, so I will store it in a current variable. Now I will check blue color value is 2 and white color value is 1 and red color value is 0. So now we'll check which color value is greater or equals to this current value. Which color? So only 2's value is greater or equals to current value. So now what I will do, please listen carefully. What I will do, I just update the value of this blue's index. Now blue point to which index? Blue point to 0 index, white also point to 0th index and red also point to 0th index. So but blue color value is only greater than and equals to current index value, so current value. So now we will update the value with the blue color value. So now this is already 2, and what after updating this value we will increment the pointer of blue. Now blue is point to this index, 1 index. So 1 is not greater than current value, 0 is also not greater than, so we'll move to next element, that is 0. So now our current value is 0. So now again we will check which value is greater or equals to current value. So all of them are greater or equals to current value. So we will start from blue and we update the value of blue's index. So blue's index is 1, so first I will update the value 2 and increment the pointer. So now blue point to this, and next is 1. So 1 points to 0th index, and first I will update the value and increment the pointer. Now white point to 1 index, and next is 0. So 0 is point to 0th index. Now I will update the value of 0th index with the value 0 and increment the pointer. Now red and white point to 1 index and blue is point to index 2. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So now we will move to next element. So now our next element is index 2 and value is 2. Now current value is 2. Again we will check the same, which color value is greater or equals to current value. So only blue color value is greater or equals to current value. So now what we will do, we will update this blue color index value. So now blue color index is 2, so we will update this value with 2 and increment the pointer. So now blue is point to this. Now we will move to next element. So now our current value is 1, and we will check which color value is greater or equals to current value. So blue color value and white color value. So first we will update the blue color index value with 2. Blue color is pointing to index 3. So now I will update the index 3 value with 2 and move the pointer of blue color. And now I will check for white color. Now I will update the value with white color index position. So white is pointing to index 1. So I will update this index 1 value with this white color value 1 and move the pointer. Now white is point to index 2 and red is point to index 1 and blue is point to index 4. Again we will move to next value. So now our next value is 1. So cur is hold the value 1. So now again I will check. So which color value is greater or equals to current value? So again blue and white. So we will do the same process. First I will update the blue's index value with the blue color value. So now blue index is point to index 4. So we will update the index 4 value with 2 and increase the pointer. Now blue is pointing to index 5. Now again we will do the same with white color. White color is pointing to index 2. So I will change the value of index 2 with the white color value. And move the pointer. Now our white is pointing to index 3. Now we will move to next element. Our next element is value is 0. So current value is 0. So now I will check which color value is greater or equals to current value. So all of them are greater or equals to current value. So we will change one by one. So first we will change for color blue. So now blue is pointing to index 5. So we will update the blue color value in index 5. 2, and next now we will increase the pointer. So there is no element in array. So now what I will do, I will move to next value, so that is white. So white is pointing to index 3, and I will update the value and move the pointer. Again we will do the same for red. So red is pointing to index 1, we will update the value and move the pointer. Okay, there is no more element in array, so we will exit from this loop, and now our desired answer is inside this array. So we are looking for this. So now our color is sorted according to red, white and blue sequence. So this is our answer. So I hope you understood the solution. So still, if you are not able to understand the solution, don't worry, I will explain it in implementation part again. In our implementation part, first I will take 3 pointer red, white and blue equals to 0. And I will take a for loop to iterate this array nums. And now I will store the ith index value in the variable current. So current will hold the current index value. So now we will compare this current value with all value blue, white and red. So if current is lesser equals to 2, then we will update the nums blue's index value with 2 and increment the pointer. And next we will check if our current is lesser or equals to 1, then we will update the value nums white equals to 1 and increment the pointer. And at the last we will check if current is lesser or equals to 0, then we will update the value in red's index equals to nums red equals to 0 and increment the red pointer. Now I will check our code is working or not. Yeah, it's running successfully. Now I will submit it. Yeah, it got accepted. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please leave a comment below. If it is helpful for you, please give me a thumbs up. Please consider subscribe if you are new to this channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.